the second day of the Doha International Maritime Defense Exhibition and Conference DIMDEX 2024, the Republic of Iran showcased an impressive array of naval capabilities throughout its models on display. Among the highlights were the Moudge Class Frigate IRIS Jamaran, the Sina class fast attack craft IRIS Separ, and the Shahed 149 Gaza unmanned aerial vehicle, each demonstrating Iran's focus on enhancing its maritime and aerial defense technologies. The Moudge Class Frigate IRIS Jamaran has a displacement of 1,500 tons and a length of 95 meters. Its design incorporates a beam of 11.1 meters and a draft of 3.25 meters, powered by two 10,000 horsepower diesel engines alongside 4 diesel generators. The frigate boasts a top speed of 30 knots and can accommodate a complement of 140 personnel. Noteworthy are its advanced sensor and processing systems, including the phased array ASR radar and a comprehensive armament suite that includes a 76 dual-purpose rapid-fire autocannon, a fat 40mm AA cannon, surface-to-surface missiles, and light torpedoes. The frigate also supports the operation of a Bell 212 ASW helicopter. The Sina class fast attack craft IRIS Separ has a full load displacement of 275 tons and a length of 47 meters. Powered by 4 diesel engines, she achieved her speed of 36 knots, supported by a crew of 31. The craft armament includes C-802 surface-to-surface missile and a Fraser 27 76mm dual-purpose gun, alongside an anti-aircraft gun. The Shahed 149 Gaza has a capacity for 13 bombs and 500 kg of electronic equipment. The UAV measures 10 meters in length with a wingspan of 21 meters. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A25C engine, she can reach a cruise speed of 350 km by hour with a range of 7,000 km and an endurance of up to 35 hours. The UAV's service sailing is at 11,000 meters, equipped with sophisticated avionics, including electro-optical infrared sensors, a thermal imager camera, and a laser rangefinder. Its capabilities extend to environmental monitoring and stealth aircraft detection, within a significant radius coupled with a satellite communication antenna.